Introducing the 2022 Volvo XC40 Rchrg PRO 5-door auto in sleek grey. This electric powerhouse is packed with top-of-the-line features for both comfort and safety, making it the perfect choice for your next adventure. From the luxurious interior, with ambient lighting to the advanced security system, including collision avoidance, braking and lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with roof rails, spoiler and privacy glass, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive into the future with the 2022 Volvo XC40 Rchrg PRO.